Meaning of griot.
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 Griot. The term griot refers to a West African storyteller, musician, and oral historian who is responsible for preserving the cultural traditions of their community through storytelling. Griots have traditionally played a crucial role in African society, passing on important information, legends, and morals from generation to generation. They are not just entertainers but also serve as advisors, counselors, and mediators in their communities. The term griot has also come to represent a genre of music that is characterized by storytelling and often accompanied by instruments such as the kora or djem. Overall, the term griot is associated with the rich cultural heritage and traditions of West Africa.